Here is a video footage from 2014. BNSF CP meet going through the Westminster's main yard here. From off my VHS, I just thought I want to share this a little bit here. We're part of the CNR. You can see on the one side. BNSF is heading back to New Westminster, or I should say, back to Braid, or was heading to Surrey anyway. As you may notice, the overpass that used to connect to the parkade is still there. That's gone along a while ago, but nice to see some old memory. CNR inner line for the SRY dropped off the freight there. Different angle.